A dashcam isn't just for capturing scenic road trips. It's a crucial tool for protecting yourself against accidents, fraud, and unexpected events on the road. Whether you need evidence for insurance claims, want to guard against reckless drivers, or hope to record something amazing while driving, having the right dashcam can be a game changer. But with so many options out there, how do you find the perfect one? In this video, we'll go over the top 5 best dashcams available today. Check out the links in the description for all the featured products. Let's dive in. Number 5. 70mm Dashcam Omni. The 70mm Dashcam Omni sets itself apart with its revolutionary 360-degree rotating camera, offering unmatched coverage of both the road ahead and the vehicle's interior. Unlike traditional dashcams with a fixed view, the Omni automatically rotates to follow motion, ensuring every important moment is captured. Whether it's an accident at an intersection, activity inside the car, or suspicious movement in a parking lot, this dashcam provides comprehensive surveillance few others can rival. Featuring 1080p Full HD resolution, the Omni delivers clear and detailed footage, though it doesn't quite match the ultra-sharp quality of 4K models. However, its standout feature is AI motion detection. Built-in sensors detect movement around the vehicle, such as attempted break-ins or vandalism, prompting the camera to rotate and start recording automatically. This makes it a strong choice for added security, especially for those who frequently park in public spaces. While the absence of 4K recording might be a downside for users who prioritize maximum image clarity, especially for reading license plates at a distance, the Omni's 360-degree coverage and intelligent tracking features make it one of the most innovative dashcams on the market. If all-around visibility and smart motion detection are your top concerns, the 70mm Dashcam Omni is a standout choice. Number 4. Miofive S1 Ultra. The Miofive S1 Ultra is a high-end dashcam that delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD recording, advanced night vision, and AI-driven features, all wrapped in a sleek modern design. With its 4K resolution, it captures crisp details, making it easy to read license plates, road signs, and moving objects with exceptional clarity. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor further enhances nighttime visibility, ensuring sharp footage even in low-light conditions or poorly lit areas. One of its standout perks is the built-in 128GB storage, eliminating the need for external memory cards. Unlike traditional dashcams that require frequent SD card replacements, the integrated storage in the S1 Ultra is faster, more reliable, and reduces the risk of data corruption. This makes it a hassle-free choice for drivers who want a dependable, long-term recording solution. All in all, the Miofive S1 Ultra is an excellent choice for those seeking sharp 4K footage, built-in storage, and smart safety features. While it may not be ideal for users needing rear coverage, its high-resolution video and advanced technology make it a strong contender in the premium dash cam market. Number 3. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW is a top-tier dashcam that combines exceptional video quality, advanced technology, and safety-focused features. Designed for drivers who want crystal-clear recordings, it captures 4K Ultra HD footage at 30 frames per second, ensuring that details like license plates, street signs, and even facial features remain sharp and easy to read. Whether driving under bright sunlight or in low-light conditions, its high dynamic range, HDR, and enhanced image processing deliver consistently vibrant and detailed video. One of the 622 gigawatts standout features is its built-in image stabilization, a rare addition in dash cams. This helps minimize camera shake and vibrations, making it especially useful when driving on rough roads or at high speeds. The result is smooth, steady footage that remains clear even in fast-moving situations, ensuring reliable recordings without distortion. Despite its impressive feature set, the Nextbase 622 GW comes at a premium price. It also requires a high-speed U3 microSD card for storage, which isn't included, adding to the overall cost. However, for those who prioritize cutting-edge technology, high-quality footage, and advanced safety features, the Nextbase 622 GW remains one of the best high-end dash cams available today. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 is an excellent choice for drivers looking for a discreet, compact, and highly dependable dashcam that won't draw attention to their vehicle. About the size of a car key, this tiny device can be easily tucked behind the rearview mirror, making it nearly invisible while still delivering high-quality video recording. Despite its small footprint, the Mini 3 is packed with smart features, making it a great everyday driving companion. With 1080p Full HD resolutions and HDR support, the Mini 3 ensures clear and detailed footage across different lighting conditions. While it doesn't offer 4K resolution, Garmin has fine-tuned the image processing to maximize sharpness and contrast, keeping license plates and road signs readable. The camera's wide-angle lens also provides solid road coverage without excessive distortion. While the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 excels in stealth, ease of use, and cloud-based security, it does have a few drawbacks. The lack of a built-in display means all settings and playback must be managed through the app, and some users might prefer 4K recording at this price point. However, for those prioritizing a small, smart, and highly reliable dashcam with excellent remote access, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 remains a top contender. Number 1. Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam. The Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam is one of the most advanced options on the market, acting as a full-fledged security system for your vehicle, rather than just a standard dash cam. With real-time monitoring, AI-powered alerts, and high-resolution video recording, it's an excellent choice for drivers who want around-the-clock protection and instant updates on their car's status. Equipped with a 4K front camera and a 1440p rear camera, the IQ captures crystal-clear footage, ensuring key details like license plates and road signs remain sharp, even in low-light conditions. Unlike traditional dashcams that rely solely on SD cards, this model offers cloud storage and remote access. With the companion mobile app, you can check live footage from anywhere, making it easy to monitor your vehicle even when you're not around. Beyond security, the Nextbase IQ also includes driver assistance features like lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts to help prevent accidents. Plus, built-in voice control allows for hands-free operation, making it easy to adjust settings, save recordings, or access information without distraction. Though the Nextbase IQ comes with a premium price tag, its combination of cutting-edge security, real-time surveillance, and AI-driven alerts makes it a top-tier choice for those who want more than just a basic dash cam. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 dash cams you can buy right now. Whether you need a fully loaded security system, ultra-sharp 4K recording, or a compact and stealthy option, there's a perfect dashcam here for every driver. Choosing the right one can give you added peace of mind, extra protection on the road, and crucial footage when it matters most. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more top tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.